Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another box from Espy. This is their holiday box for 2025. We are going to be taking a look at it. Now this is a very, very cool subscription service. It's something that's a little different from the norm, which I will talk about here in just a minute. But before I do, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and ring that notification bell so hopefully, maybe, probably not, you get notified when I upload a new video, all right? That's just how it goes, all right? You guys ready? I'm excited to get into this box from Espy because this is, like I said, their holiday box. And we're going to do it right now. All right, so we are back with Espy, and this is their holiday box for 2025. Now, this service is a lot different than your typical subscription services because normally you just subscribe to a company like Hunt Vault, Battle Box, whatever, and you don't have a lot of, choices in what you're going to get. Espy does something a little bit different. When you go to their website, ESPY, okay, you can look them up, you can Google them. And when you go to their website, they give you a questionnaire that tailors the box to your preferences. Now, you don't have control over the specific products because obviously that would negate the point of getting a subscription box. But you can tell them what you like, what items you want to get. They will curate the items based on your preferences and then send you out a box that's kind of tailored to you. Now, what does that look like? Well, you can search in my channel for Espy Box and you can look at some of the other boxes. I'm going to tell you guys something just to let you know what kind of cool stuff you get. The last box that I got from Espy, this is a pizza cutter, bro. Look at that, dude. You get pizza, you transform into a Viking, bro. This is the coolest pizza cutter ever. Ever. Came from Espy Box. Absolutely love this thing, bro. People flip out. Like, I've never seen people want to cut pizza in my kitchen more than when I show them this and say, hey, this is my pizza cutter. Everybody wants to come over and cut their pizza with it. So, yeah. This is the kind of stuff that you're going to get from Espy. All right? Amazingly awesome pizza cutter, among other stuff. All right, so now that I gave you the rundown, you go there, you fill out their tailored questionnaire. They curate you a box based on your preferences. Now, I thought about putting it here, but this is a large box, so I'm going to open it and kind of just show you, and then we're gonna get into it. All right. All right, so this is what you get when you open it. It says, say hello to your new favorites, which, because, like I said, it is a curated box. Please don't knock my stickers over. All right, so we got a thing right here that says, Espy Box was founded to give men a curated surprise of premium lifestyle products tailored to your unique preferences. Each season, discover niche products that may become your new favorites. We're confident you'll love your Espy Box. Let us know what you think. Happy unboxing from Dan, the founder, who is a stately, scholarly gentleman. And here we go. So Dan, thank you. Greatly appreciate you. This box better not suck. Oh man, I already see something dude, I already see something that I want. Okay, this is how the box comes. Okay, there you go. All right, so we're gonna pull. Let's see. I don't know what this is, so we're gonna take this out first. Got a lot of dust. It's okay. Okay. What is this? What is this? Do I need to cut it? Yeah, I need to cut it. What is this? Non-zero gravity? What is this? Mini. Oh, this is a gun case. Okay, this is a gun. Okay, this is a storage case for that. Okay, all right. Well, I appreciate that. Okay, so I thought this was an item. It's an item, but what this is just a storage. This is a storage bin or storage container for this right here. a non-zero gravity massage gun, which I will absolutely use. Speaking of this type of stuff right here, you know, you see these, I don't know if you guys fall for the Facebook, you know, all the clever Facebook, you know, advertisements. The 16 head, like, massager. I bought one of those things. Absolutely awesome, dude. So I'm excited about getting stuff like this because, you know, I have really bad, I have shoulder pain and back pain from sleeping on my side, you know, and all that, because I'm a side sleeper, which hopefully I'm about to remedy that because I bought a very special mattress on Black Friday. So yeah, so hopefully I'm going to do a video on that too. So that's another reason for you to come back to the channel, because I got more stuff. I got more stuff coming. Okay. So we got a little massager here. Is it charged up? No. Do they give you a charger? Yeah, I guess this is the charger, right? Maybe. Yes, no, maybe so. Looks like it. Yeah, this is the cables. Okay, so they do give you the charging cables. Okay, so we got this little ball here. Okay, then we got a little flat, you know, for getting some percussion type situation. Okay, we got a smaller one for, like, if you got a knot, you know, you can use a little smaller one. Oh, check this out, bro. We got the pitchfork. You can really get on your back. All right, bro. I like it. I like it. This is something that will not go to waste. I'm just telling you. It will not go to waste. So there it is. There you go. And they give you a case for it to keep it, you know, keep it all together, because it does have places you can see here all around for the accessories. Easy peasy Japanesey, right? All right, then we got something that says the most functional gear ever. Well, hey, bro, you piqued my interest. Okay, what is this? What's the most functional gear ever? Wait, is there other stuff in here? What is that? What is this? Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh, desk kit packs. I was like, what kind of weirdo desk kit pack is that? I'll put that crap back in there. All right, so we got that. All right, what is this? Okay, here we go. Nomadic Navigator Series Tech Organizer. Okay, from a company called Nomadic. That's kind of on the nose, isn't it? It kind of gives it away. Okay, so this is just an organizing little container here. Okay, so we got two compartments here, a compartment here. Oh, you know, one thing I do appreciate is the zipper pulls. A lot of times you don't see zipper pulls on items like this, so that's really nice. Okay, then we got a kind of a flopping compartment here in the middle. Giggity. And we got some Velcro, not Velcro, but we got some stretchy stuff here. And then we got stretchy stuff here. And we got pockets here on the inside. So there you go. Get organized, yo, with Nomadic. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. That's cool. You know, everybody can use a little organization, right? Ain't nothing wrong with being organized. Now, what is this? The scrubber. Peppermint infused, 100% plant-based. Ooh, uh-oh. An absolute lathering machine made of all natural minerals. Key benefits: unclogs pores, helps prevent acne. I don't have that. Boost blood circulation, relieves muscle tension. There you go. So this is a scrubber that is infused. Ooh, smells good. Okay, so there we go. We got a peppermint infused scrub. You know what I do like? Okay, look. You can see it's got like grit on it. I guarantee you, once you get water on this thing, I bet you this thing is awesome. I'm just saying. I bet you this thing is awesome. And the reason I say that is because I switched to all Dr. Squatch like deodorant because it doesn't have aluminum in it, and also their soap. And they have a soap called Wood Barrel Bourbon. Dude, it's amazing. Because it has grit in it. So when you take the soap and you just clean yourself with it, it has grit. So it kind of like scrubs and exfoliates, I guess. So I will definitely use that. That ain't no joke, yo, for real. All right. Then we got a olive wood collection. Okay, is this like a soap dish? Ooh, check that out, though. Look at that, bro. I don't know what... I guess you can use this for anything, but boy, look how pretty that is, man. Bro, that is... I like that, man. This is going to go on my desk. But check that out, man. It's just a little bowl. You know, like a little bowl to put stuff in. I'm going to put that on my desk. I like that. That's really nice. What kind of wood is it, though? Does it say? Handcrafted by artisans in Africa. Okay. All right. I ain't going to argue, bro. Okay, that's it. We got one more thing right here. All right, so let's see. All right, I'll tell you what. I got to close this box because I cannot believe that I have made it this far without having to sneeze, because there is a lot of dust from their packing material. It makes me want to sneeze because I'm allergic. All right, so the last thing we got here is Bumbleberry Farms Sweet Maple Honey Cream Spread. That is good until 10/13 of 26. Man, say what? Ingredients: whole milk, pure cane sugar, butter, honey, pure maple syrup, pure vanilla, and sea salt. Bro, that sounds delicious. Man. And we got a big container of it. Does it give me the weight? It says, let's see. Does it say the weight? How much this is? I don't want to guess because I'll be wrong. 8 ounce. 8 ounces, 226 grams. Okay, that's awesome, dude. That is awesome. Okay. Okay, so for Espy, we got the Sweet Maple Honey Cream Spread. We got this really awesome wood little bowl. And then we got a peppermint infused scrubber. Okay. We got the Nomadic organizer. Okay. And we got the non-zero gravity massage gun with the case. Awesome. 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 I like it. I approve, bro. I'm just saying. What in here do you guys not like? Now, my channel members are watching this live, so they can give some input. So I'm going to look over at the screen over there, and I'm going to see what they're saying about this box. I think this was awesome. I'll use all this. I mean, I will use all this stuff. The only thing I could say I'm a little lukewarm about, look, it's just because I get 5 jillion subscription boxes. I get a lot of organizing stuff like this. So, you know, notwithstanding that, because of me, dude, I'm going to use this right here tonight. I ain't going to lie to y'all. And this massage gun will get used to death. The spread, I'm excited about that. And this little, I'm going to put this on my desk. So, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments section down below. What do you guys think about this Espy Holiday Box for 2025? Let me know what you guys think. Let's see. Come on. Oh, they're making jokes. They got jokes. They're making jokes. They're making jokes at my expense. This is why you should go down in the video. There's a little join button down there. You can join for $4.99 a month, and you can be here, what they're doing, making fun of me. Paid abuse, man. All right, so anyway, let me know what you guys think about this. Now, this was a curated box for me based upon my answers to what I prefer to get in a subscription box. And honestly, I can say None of this stuff is things that I would not want. So Espy does an amazing job at least pulling items from your answers to your preferences, because ultimately that's what this service really focuses on. So I think they've done a good job. If you want to go back in my channel and look at and watch some of the other Espy Box videos, you will see that I've been very happy with the products that I get from this particular subscription service. So hey, if you're looking for something like this, that's a curated box, definitely give them a go. See what you think. And with that, guys, if you made it this far, please give me a thumbs up on the video. I really greatly appreciate you on that. And with that, if you made it this far, as always, God bless all of you, man. And I will see you guys in the next one, man. Y'all be cool. Peace.